I'm here to review the video that Apple released about the iPhone SE 2020 version. It has been a while since we received an upgrade, and it really has many items that bring excitement to many iPhone users. The video started out showing the new iPhone SE available in various colors. These colors are black, white, and product red. The iPhone SE is built with a glass front and back with a color-matched aluminum band. It features a 4.7-inch screen with the security of Touch ID. All the power needed for a high-speed mobile game using the A13 Bionic chip. It also boasts of portrait lighting effects, that is, natural light, stage light, high-key light mono, and many more. It's native to a 4K video recording capability. It is even water-resistant up to 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. It also advertises a long battery life for all that it can do. But notice the fine print that says, battery life varies by use. This is also one of the biggest pitch for Apple in this version, that privacy is built in. There is lots to love for less to spend. Price point are as follows. iPhone SE will be available in 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB models in black, white, and product red, starting at $399 US. Customers can also get iPhone SE for $9.54 a month or $229 with trade-in from Apple.com in the Apple Store app and Apple stores. iPhone SE is available through Apple authorized resellers and select carriers. Prices may vary. iPhone SE is available to pre-order on Apple.com and the Apple Store app beginning at 5 a.m. Pacific Daylight Savings Time on Friday, April 17, and it will be available from Apple authorized resellers, and select carriers on Friday, April 24th in the US and more than 40 countries and regions. Truly, the pitch coming from Apple is something we are looking forward to. The most affordable iPhone features A13 Bionic, the fastest chip in a smartphone, and the best single camera system in an iPhone. Very, very exciting.